Let me ask you a question. Are you excited about starting a freeze drying business, but you just feel stuck? Like you have questions, but you don't have someone to ask? Or maybe you started and you just feel like you're losing steam. If that's you, keep watching because I'm gonna show you how you don't have to take the hardest path. You can do something else instead. Here's the thing, starting a business is tough, but starting a freeze drying business can be even more difficult if you don't have the right tools and resources. If you're looking into freeze drying, you'll probably have a lot of questions like, what type of equipment do I buy? How do I price my products? How do I stay motivated when it feels like I'm the only one doing this? Now, I've been there. I've been just like yourself who probably has questions that you don't have any answers to. You've done enough searches, you've asked ChatGPT, you've gone and watched YouTube videos, but what you really need is raw, real, and authentic people talking about the things that you're going through every single week in your business. That's why I started something different. It's a bi-weekly office hours where you get to meet with me and other people who are in the freeze drying industry. Now, here's what's gonna happen when you join. You're gonna meet other entrepreneurs, people who are in various different stages, whether they're just starting out, they haven't even purchased their first freeze dryer, or people that have gone on that path going from that home freeze dryer unit all the way to commercial. You're also gonna get accountability, not just from myself, but from your peers. Now, every session is going to be recorded, so even if you miss a week, you're not going to be left behind. Now, keep in mind, this isn't just information. This is a community of people that are serious about starting a freeze drying business, and we're all going to do it together. Now, look, you can keep trying to do this all by yourself, but here's what I've seen happen. People who go it alone work twice as hard. They make more expensive mistakes. And unfortunately, a lot of them quit. I don't want to see that happen. Now, people who join a community like this, they don't just do it because they want to see what happens. They want to build a business that they dreamed about. So the question for you is, do you want to keep spinning your wheels, or do you want to join a group of people who are serious about making this work? The bi-weekly office hours is going to start January 7th, 2026. All the details are down in the video description. I've got a link to freezedrybusiness.com/office hours. That's where you can sign up for this. There's no contract. This is all month to month. So if you want to join right now, you're actually going to get a special rate before January 7th. It's reoccurring and you can cancel anytime. Guys, this freeze drying industry is wide open for the taking, and 2026 is going to boom exponentially. Take action right now. Do something to start 2026 in the right direction. Join the office hours right now. I hope to see you on January 7th.